Alright, we're going to make some homemade pizza in the air fryer. And all I got is hoagie buns. And I rubbed a little olive oil on the outside. And we're going to toast them first in the air fryer. Just a little bit, we're going to toast them. So let's go do that. Alright, we got our Tastee air fryer. And I love this air fryer. We're going to put them in there like that. Just toast them just the slightest little bit. Put it in there. Start it up. I'm going to hit air fry. And start. I'd probably leave them there in there for like a couple minutes. Just enough to toast them. Just a little bit. Then we're going to add all of our toppings. What I like about this air fryer, watch. See? It's got a light on in there. I can watch what's going on. That is a really nice feature. And as you see, I got the temperature set at 380 degrees. And I won't leave it in there the whole 18 minutes now. That'll burn them. That's about how I have them toasted. Just a hint of toasting. As you see, just a little bit, not a lot. Alright, let's go put some toppings on them. And see, I just got some Walmart marinara. They were out of regular, pizza sauce. But hey, this works good. But I'm going to show you what I do with it. Alright, I'm going to take a little Italian seasoning. About like that. A little garlic powder. Kind of gives that extra little zest. And then just stir it all up. And we're going to put it on the buns. As you can see, I put pepperoni on because I had some I wanted to use up. And you can put any kind of little toppings on there, whichever you prefer. Okay, this is what I've been doing. Whoops. I just got some grated Parmesan. I sprinkle a little of that on there. Now, since I am kind of running a little low on the mozzarella, I'm going to mix it up tonight. We're going to put a little cheddar on there. You can do them however you want. No specific way. Alright. There. Got it all cheesed up. I might put a little more because we love our cheese on there. Alright. Let's go put them in the air fryer. Now, I did put a paper liner in there just to keep the cheese from, making a mess in there. Now we're going to put them back in. Here, start back up. And we're going to have us some pizza. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Woohoo! Alright, check that out. Check it out. Little miniature pizzas. So, hey, I used to make these with hamburger buns. Everybody had their own little miniature pizzas. But hey, we don't even do takeout anymore. We love making our own. So, see y'all later. On down the road.